I would not repeat that particular statistics. It is perhaps the highest when it comes to Kerala. I don't want to answer Kerala related questions because you have data which is far more updated at your end. To us, as we look at it from Delhi, we think Kerala has been implementing one of the best containment programs in the country. We continue to refer it as Kerala model, whether it is for offering tests, whether it is offering containment strategies. To us, you have one of the best healthcare systems. You have to trust on contact tracing that you are doing. There were many kind of publications that came in between which tried to allude to certain issues like, the infection could be airborne. Those were junk publications. We have to ridicule them. We need to remember it is contact-driven infection. One needs to have adequate exposure. Only then you acquire it. And if my system is able to trace contacts, I don't see why we should consider we are testing less and less at this point in time.
Just to add the point what Dr. Ganga Khetkar has said, because technically Dr. Ganga Khetkar has explained. Now in context of Kerala, we have been interacting with all our experts. And we have also realized that on 18th, WHO declares that there is a issue in the world. On 19th, Government of Kerala issues the advisory. On 23rd, we get the first person accessing healthcare who is coming from the home isolation. That means our prevention program, what we have rolled out, not only in this COVID period, but of past so many years effort, in which successive government and the present government has given topmost priority to the primary health care, secondary health care, tertiary health care, and done phenomenal investment into the public health, is giving us this kind of a result. Now coming back to the question in particular, why the tests are so low, and that is the point Dr. Ganga Khetkar has mentioned. If through public health approaches, if we are succeeding in identifying each and every contact and understand what actually is happening with the contacts, and if contacts is getting any kind of a symptom, and therefore after getting the symptom, all these contacts are getting tested. If this is done meticulously, then in fact we have done our work properly, because then you need not go on a head count basis doing thousands of testing. And that is what has been seen by us when first lot of people from China, Southeast Asia came. Second lot of people came from Italy, Europe and all. Take a look at the Pathanamthitta cluster. 3-member family has come and their contacts were traced, more than 1,200 contacts were traced. Out of that, only 6 contacts were positive. So what we have done, we have kept all these 1,200 odd people into zone of consideration and observation, and therefore health functionary in fact could trace out if anybody is having a symptom. We have done the testing, and it is it's a data which clearly indicates that all the secondary contacts were negative. So what does it mean? It clearly means your public health approaches are delivering. Last point is, in fact, as Dr. Ganga Khetkar has also said, initially by doing 20 tests, we used to get 1 positive. Now we are doing 140 tests, then we are getting 1 positive. That is what his point is. For getting 1 positive, we are doing other 139 tests, then we are getting it. So it is not that we are not enhancing the number of tests. What we are doing is we are having a very, I would say, clinical mechanism by which we understand that who are all to be tested and identify this vulnerable lot and then do the management. So therefore I feel that we will continue, and as nationally also they have added some few more segments, we will also continue testing. And as we have all been discussing, our Honorable Chief Minister has given us a specific instruction as and when antibody tests are available, those test kits, we will use it for the surveillance mechanism. With this strategy, I think we will be able to go ahead and further strengthen our containment and mitigation plans.
Thank you for these responses.